Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So it's a very easy process. Firstly, what you have to do is open your Facebook, then click on your profile. Now click on the three dots in front of your profile over here. Now click on turn on professional mode. Now over here, this may enable the professional mode, then click on continue over here. Now once everything is done, go back to your profile. Now refresh the page over here once, and now click on see dashboard. Now once you're in the professional dashboard, just may scroll down to the bottom and you should see a page of professional guide. So over here, this is the option professional mode guide. Just simply click on that. Now over here, just simply click on get started. Now over here, just simply click on insights. So this will be the option right over here. Click on that. Now this page will appear in front of you. Click on view insights. Now over here you will find a lot of data, but the thing that you have to click on is see details over here, which you'll find under new followers. Click on that, and right over here you will find all the options. And if you click on the profile visits option, you will be able to see who came to your profile and viewed your profile. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.